this is what I have to offer. So thank you for having a patient listen.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insightful presentation. স্যারের লেকচার শুনতে গিয়ে আমার হঠাৎ করে লাঞ্চ বক্স মুভিটার কথা মনে হলো। একটা সময় ছিল যখন there were many who used to run away যে এবার আমি কম্পিউটার শিখব, but now the machines are learning themselves যে আমাদের কিভাবে শিখিয়ে দেবে. So what an era we are moving into, and sir's presentation was a way forward towards that direction. So we have little time, we can invite a few questions. তো কারো যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে please ask. Any questions? Any question, any observation, anything you would like to contribute? Okay, so we see no questions. Actually, apni eto details se bolechen sir, there is no scope for any question.
Yeah.
We also have the presentation, the references. We would definitely refer back if anything is required by anyone. So thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. So thing is, I had avoided mathematics as far as possible. So I suppose I have not said too much of mathematics, I suppose. Okay, because these topics are such that if we go into a little details, what happens, it becomes very much mathematical. So last 2-3 lectures I have given in various places, it has become so mathematical that I myself have thought that it is, I think I should tone down mathematics.
Yes, sir. And mostly over here the participants are from arts and social science background.
Yes.
So it was very helpful for us to understand. আমাদের পক্ষে বুঝতে খুবই সুবিধা হয়েছে.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. So I would like to specially thank Oyantika ma'am for inviting me. So thank you very much, ma'am. And even though it is online, so right, so we had a very close contact in the last 7 days. So it is not like that. It doesn't look like online actually. I had so much interaction with ma'am actually. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. অবশ্যই সামনাসামনি মুখোমুখি দেখা হবে।
নিশ্চয়ই ম্যাডাম। Okay. So we can then close then.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. We close the first session over here. We will join back after an hour for another enriching session. Thank you very much.
Thank you.